Here's the final part of the video. So I want to be able to see my classmates and Nearpod at the same time. So there's a small bar here, which means to minimize that screen. I'm going to click on that, and guess what? Here we are. I am able to see my teacher, who looks like she's away, and I'm also able to navigate Nearpod. You might need to use Google Classroom. So let's go to classrooms.google.com. Right? I'm going to sign into Google Classroom. And guess what? My teacher is still there. If I want to get back to my class, I'm going to click on this box. And I'm back to my class. Remember, to minimize that screen, you're going to click the bar here. It says minimize. And you'll be able to see both at the same time. I hope that helps. If you have any further questions, ask your advisor for help.